check this out. A glass elevator. Hi.
Going upstairs?
Yes. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready.
Oh, not at all. I'm just, as long as you're okay. Oh, I guess it's not glass.
No.
As long as you're cool with me filming.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
I just like elevators.
That's fine. They recently redid the whole elevator, so.
Really? What is
Yeah.
It used to be a lot older, huh?
All the well, it wasn't necessarily older, it was the mechanics of it.
Like all the buttons
They're trying,
and the
on
motor.
Northwestern campus, they're trying to make all the
Elevators.
mechanics the same, so it's
I gotta
easier.
go around and film them all before they get
Yeah.
replaced.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm staying in. I'm getting a
Okay.
round trip. Thank you.
Okay, take care.
Uh-oh, I guess they're modernizing them all. Oh, that's a shame. It's not glass. That's so not cool. All right, well, we'll send it up and we'll watch from the outside because I want to at least see this thing going. Oh, it used to be a Dover. Look at that. Anyway, there's the piston. It's kind of narrow, but that's it.